Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium. Ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met. Ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit. Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ka Jingdawa jong kipat ba nong shnong jong ka Jelam bat ki seng bahalang bapher ye ka Sarkar Pedeng. Bahkan pentrai kamno ye ke airline permit hagani ke Jelam Meghalaya haduk mentah. Kadang susah kut baik hasuny hadin bo menteri ketenat ki kampo yeng jong keri u Amit Shah umpat ai kitin setia lanu unwan yuk kejat hakani ke nong ba Shalong watla nakaliang jong menteri rang ba ke Jela u Konrad Kongkel Sangma Dangshen ula penbenapat ba u Amit Shah ula kular bo unsa wanhi dalade syakani ke Jela ban yeselok bat ki seng bhalang bapher halor ke airline permit hauni unai liber 8,000 arpuway. Haga jingya keren bat ka Batisi TV usembut menteri rang ba jong ka Jela uba Preston Tensong ubadang Shuan Pai dang menta shisngi arsngi na nong ba New Delhi uli yatho ba ka Sarkar Jela haduk menta kampat yo aktin setiang naga office jong menteri ketenat ki kampo yeng jong keri wat la ka Sarkar ka lapha da ka shithi penken mau.
Myself, we just came back from Delhi yesterday. Again, reminder has been just submitted to the office of the Honorable Home Minister. So we are yet to get the confirmation. I told you very clearly, we have already sent the reminder from the office of the Chief Minister. We already sent again the reminder to the office of the Honorable Home Minister. So I can't say anything. If you can maybe contact to the office of the Home Minister, that would be better.